Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to redeem your pre 500 raffle entries for Globe Raffle Rush promo and chance to win exciting prizes sa Globe. Kaya stay tuned ka lang para malaman ang buong process at start na natin. So ang next step ay kapag wala ka pang Globe One applications ay kailangan mo lang i-download dito sa Play Store. So search mo lang dito yung Globe One, and then kapag na-install mo na siya ay kailangan mo lang i-register yung Globe or TM mobile number mo. Okay? So once na-register mo na siya, and then back lang tayo at kailangan mo lang mag-login dito sa Globe One applications. Okay? So open lang natin yan. So once nakapag-login ka na, ganito yung makikita mo dito sa Globe homepage. Alright, so kung paano ba natin i-redeem yung pre-raffle interest natin. So dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung redeem rewards. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And ang next step ay dito lang sa gitna makikita mo dito mga kaibigan yung G-raffle entries or G-raffle rush. Okay, so makikita mo dito is pre-raffle entry, and then kailangan mo lang i-click to. So click lang natin yan. And then madirect tayo dito mga kaibigan. So may mga kailangan lang natin i-fill out na raffle registration form. Okay, so ito siya. So dito naman ay baka may chance tayong manalo ng mga exciting prizes po nila. Okay, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-fill out itong registration form nila. Okay, so scroll down ka lang and then double check mo lang yung details, and then yung mobile number kailangan lang natin yan i-enter. And so, kailangan Globe or TM mobile number mga kaibigan. Okay? And then next step, so double check mo lang din yung address kung tama. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-check tong box. So, I understand and agree that any personal informations I provide to apply for the Globe Rewards Raffle will be processed in accordance. Okay? And once na-check mo na yan, and then next step ay dito sa baba makikita mo dito yung redeem. So i-click mo lang yan. Ayan. So makikita mo dito is redemptions successful. You just redeem a raffle entry and chance to win G Raffle Rush 500 entries. So until September 30 na lang ito mga kaibigans. Kaya kapag ikaw ay may accounts or nakaregister dito sa Globe One applications, so kailangan mo na itong i-redeem ngayon para may chance tayong manalo ng kanilang mga exciting prizes. Alright? So, ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano mag-redeem ng pre-raffle entries sa new Globe One applications, and hope na nasundan nyo ang step-by-step tutorial ko. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.